One covets what he or she sees every day, says Hannibal Lecter in the suspense thriller Silence of the Lambs, citing emperor philosopher Marcus Aurelius. After 4 years of being stalked mostly online, a 21-year-old single female is thankful and relieved. Her obsessed stalker and sexual harasser is in the custody of law enforcement after a successful sting operation in Pasig City. Our Rod Lagusa threshes out the details in this possession-obsession story.
In a crowded area in Kapasigan, Pasig City, the happy days of this man came to an end after he was arrested by personnel of the PNP Anti-Cybercrime Group after being surrounded by operatives. The man was immediately ordered to lie face down and was handcuffed. He is the suspect in 4 years of cyber stalking and harassment of a 21-year-old woman. Alias Ami first sought help from the Eastern District Anti-Cybercrime Team. She then pretended to agree to the suspect's offer until they arranged to meet. What the suspect did not know was that police were already waiting for him. In the investigation of the PNP ACG, it was revealed that the victim started experiencing harassment in 2022 when she was only 17 years old.
There are several instances na binablock niya na yung number ng lalaki. Tapos palagi rin nakukuha kasi open ang kanyang Facebook page. So nakikita yon at nakukuha pa rin ng lalaki yung number niya doon. So doon sa messenger.
She was allegedly sent lewd messages, sexual offers, and explicit videos by the suspect through social media.
The suspect usually send indecent messages, mga bastos na message, then offering sexual offer.
The suspect also allegedly offered money ranging from 5,000 to 10,000 pesos in exchange for sex.
So, yung lalaki ay siguro obsessed sa kanya dahil ang pagkakalam namin ay dati niyang kapitbahay.
The suspect is now facing charges for violation of the Safe Spaces Act, grave coercion, and the Cybercrime Prevention Act. Ryan Lisiges from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.